boosters is an extremely popular treatment with no downtime for your clients. You could do your Ultimate Aesthetics course and do this as a bolt-on on the course days, and it's called the Ultimate Boost. If you want to do skin boosters as a standalone course, you can book in and have a look at the dates selected below to learn all aspects of skin boosters using a BAP technique and mesotherapy technique.